Hi everyone. Today's topic is the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains stretch like a great wall across the northern and northeastern parts of our country. It includes the Karakoram, Ladakh, and the Himalayan ranges of mountains. They are the highest mountain ranges in the world. The Himalayas extend for 2500 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. It is about 450 kilometers wide in Kashmir and narrows down to about 160 kilometers in the northeast. The word Himalaya in Sanskrit means abode of snow. Himalayan ranges is covered with snow throughout the year. Out of 10, 9 of the highest mountain peaks in the world are in the Himalayan range. The highest mountain peak is Mount Everest in Nepal. It is 8,848 meters high. The Himalayas consists of 3 mountain ranges. They are first one, the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. This is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. It is the highest of the 3 ranges and contains all the highest peaks including Mount Everest. Most peaks in the Himadri remains permanently covered with snow. Kanchenjunga and Annapurna are 2 highest mountain peaks of these ranges. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India. Several rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj arise from the Himadri. These rivers arise from moving sheets of ice called glaciers. The river Ganga starts from the Gangotri glacier. Second one, the Himachal or Middle Himalayas. The Himachal range lies to the south of the Himadri range. The mountains are not as high as in the Himadri range. This region consists of forest covered mountain range, fertile and beautiful valleys. Only some peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Most people live in hill stations as Mussoorie, Shimla and Darjeeling or in valleys such as Srinagar, Nainital and Kangra. Third one, the Shivalik or Outer Himalayas. The southernmost and the lowest range of the Himalayas is the Shivalik. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forests. These mountains are homes to a variety of wild animals. The foothill of Shivalik range is called the Terai region. It receives heavy rainfall and the land is fertile. Deforestation in the Shivalik for wood and farmland has destroyed many of the forests. The government has made several protected forest areas such as the Corbett National Park and the Kaziranga National Park to stop deforestation and protect animals. The importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are very important for our country. They help us in many ways. The Himalayas act like a wall on our northern borders and protect our country from enemies. They protect us from the cold winds blowing from Central Asia. The Himalayas stop the monsoon winds from going further north and thus bring heavy rainfall to the northern plains of India. These forests are homes of several wild animals and source of wood, medicines and many other useful things. Several rivers originate in the Himalayas. They provide water and make our land fertile. Dams built over these rivers provide us electricity. Life in Northern Mountains. A number of states are located in Northern Mountains. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is almost entirely mountainous. It is very cold in winters. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of the state. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is a favorite of tourists. Jammu and Kashmir is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and has the lovely Dal and Vular lakes. Houseboats float on these lakes, which are mostly used as hotels. Small boats called sikaras are used for boating and as floating shops. The traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in Kashmir is called firan. To keep warm in winters, people in Kashmir use kangri. The people of Kashmir make beautiful handicrafts from wood, brass, silver and papier match. Saffron is a special crop of the state. Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi are the languages spoken here. Eid and Sivaratri are the main festivals of Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, with its snow-clad mountains, is a very beautiful state. Simla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Thousands of tourists visit the hill stations of Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali every year. The toy train, which takes people from Kalka to Shimla, is a special attraction. The climate here is ideal for the growth of fruits like apples, cherries, plums, apricots and peaches. The traditional clothes of women include tight pajamas and loose kurtas with scarves around their heads. The men wear tight pajamas and loose shirts with colorful caps. Hindi is the official language of the state, but people mostly speak in Pahari. Dasara and Diwali are the main festivals of Himachal Pradesh. Uttarakhand. This recently formed hill state contains Garhwal and Kumaon ranges. Dehradun is the capital of the state. The important hill stations are Mussoorie in Garhwal and Nainital in Kumaon. The forest slopes are covered with thick forests of pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. They are homes to a variety of birds and animals. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath are important places of religious and tourist interest. Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of this small hill state. Kanchenjunga in Sikkim is the third highest mountain in the world. This state is famous for orchids. Most of the people here belong to the Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribe. The women of the state traditionally wear long skirts called baku and colorful jewelry made from beads. West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Darjeeling is a hill station in the northern part of West Bengal. It is famous for the tea crop. The northeastern states. Towards the east, the Himalayan ranges run across the 7 states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. They are called the 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh. Most of Arunachal Pradesh is covered by mountains. The Brahmaputra river enters India through this state. Its capital is Itanagar. Assam. It is one of the largest states in this region. Its capital is Dispur. It has large tea plantation where thousands of people work. Assam is famous for its silk. Parts of Assam are covered by the northern plains. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Shillong is the beautiful hill station. The state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is the home of the Nagas. The Nagas wear colorful shawls. Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. The Manipuri dance is famous all over the country. Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. It is situated in the south of the region. The main language of the state is Mizo. Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Tripura is surrounded on three sides by Bangladesh. The people of the state make beautiful things from cane and bamboo. Thank you.